Alright, so see them people, greetings again. Tunde's Stargate Communication. We're at it again, you know. Yeah. So while the rain forward now, we get an opportunity to see how efficient this thing here with them billiards are going to work. Because prior to this, what the day so wasn't so compact. So see them happy now with them actually use the river stones. Yeah, big, small, large, tall, little and strong and all of that. And pack it. Yeah, put it inside of the mesh. Right. So thus far I am not a builder where is really in favor of this type of retaining wall, so to speak. Because what you find, so now after over time now, based on the other ones that we look at, after a time it starts erode and then the stone roll out. See it? So I is not in such favor of things like this. Alright, so I move around here say you know. So the item can get a different view from where I go. Alright, so while me I go admire the building. Yeah, because you see them a come from way down where you see them set of stones there, bundled together. And so what them would have do now is build up a nice wall there so. And we're going to go down there too and show you where I go. See it? So, yeah, let's go on wall first. Also, I want to point out too now. So the volume of water the way I forward. Watch over here so dry. You see that roadway here? Basically dry. So over there? So now, it means I know you can theorize it already. Yeah, what that means is that water from the university campus. See it? Over there, so. Yeah. This drain here carry water from the university campus. You know, sometimes you have to think still, you know. And I have to question the question. This is something you know could have the dam, man. The riverbed around here so could have be another dam, you know. Yeah, see you like down there, man. And then watch you know by a few months time you hear them a ball out and trick the people them and tell them say, oh, water shortage and you can't wash your car or you can't bathe as regular as you're supposed to be and you can't wash your clothes. And then some people don't have no water or no pipe water run to them place. See it? So them little things there again. All of them things that we have to checking on people. See it? So, me I go and admire that building here. Some parts of it. Because, watch you know. What am I going to do now? What do I write here, sir? You see it? You understand? Watch all of this now. Yeah, what will happen to that? That I go just left exposed, sir. See it? Alright, so look which part the basket stop there so now. Further right down there so. What will go on down there so? You understand? But as always, Babatun, they have to do the positive and highlight the positive first. Yeah? So I like how them do that, but if I did build this, you see which part that drain they come out, you see over time what will go on, you know. The volume and the power of water will create a basin in that. And then over time you find so that start the road. So what I did do? I would have put that drain right down in the riverbed. So it just run out. It now no way. When it run out, it now no way. If you make no hole and a loosen a soil and it just run out right down in the riverbed. But watch that. I never Tunde's building technology do that. So, yeah. That's how it go. Alright, that's where, even as a reason now, you can just watch and see sediments or portions of the rock just start fall away. So walk with it. Yeah, try.